I'm Sushmasri and I'm pursuing second BSc in Silver Jubilee Government College. And today I'm here to give you a brief explanation about photonics, which is playing a key role in the present era. Generally, if we see or if we hear a new term which is mainly related to the physics, three questions arise in our minds, right? They are what, how, and why. First of all, let us see what is meant by photonics. The particle of light is called as a photon, and according to the Planck, it is quantized. So we can say that the particle of light and its technology is called as photonics. In photonics, the light hits the solid and is turned into electrical and digital signals. And then imaging is what happens after the information is captured and digitalized. Photonics controls and manipulates the light, and photonics is made up of many different technologies like quantum electronics, lasers, detectors, and fiber materials. And mainly imaging is what developed by photonics. In the present era, there is a big need to make things faster, less energy, smaller, and more cheaply. And this can be done by replacing electrons with the photons. And yes, photonics is the future because the light travels faster than in the electricity. And now we'll see how photonics is derived. In 1600s, Fermat hypothesized that the light travels in a straight line, and he derived ray optics. In mid-1600s, Huygens hypothesized that the light not only travels in a straight line but also in the form of wave, and then he derived wave optics. In mid-1800s, Maxwell stated that the light travels as a magnetic wave. In 1885, Planck hypothesized that the emission and absorption is quantized, and he derived quantum optics, which is later named as photonics. In 1915, Einstein stated that light itself comprised of quanta of energy, which was later coined as photons. By this, we can say that the particle of light is a photon which is quantized according to the Planck, and its technology is called as photonics. And now let's see why photonics is used. Photonics is used in human vision, imaging, optical communication, food safety, quantum computing. Photonics is also used for agricultural purpose, where it monitors, observes and measures crop health, which leads to smart farming. Photonic techniques are implemented in the food safety even. Photonics plays a key role in imaging techniques, and we can say that the pictures we capture in our phones is linked with photonics. And I'm going to conclude that electronics revolutionized the 20th century, and photonics is doing the same in the 21st century. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.